Alright, dashboard is on, or the dash lights are on. You can see that right there in the key ring. Alright, so we were sparking right up here at the very top corner of this. And if I slide this out, see if you can barely see. See that wire right there? It is supposed to be in there further, like that. So it's supposed to be in there, not sticking out like this, making contact with the metal. It's supposed to be buried deep in there. That's the only part over there that's supposed to be making contact with the metal. I just put a little dab of super glue in there and I'm holding it in place until it sets up. We'll see if this actually works. Alright. So we're definitely working. You can see them. My ignition ring never worked. It looks like the piece inside is broke. So I still have the wire hooked up, but I went ahead and hot glued it anyways. I used some super glue and then kind of hot glued around there just to make sure that even if the super glue let go, it wasn't going to make contact. So, you know, I don't really miss that ring because it's never worked since I've owned a car. But I did miss the lights. So they do work.